If you own an e-commerce store, you must have tried different ways to pursue customers to complete the order transaction. A large number of such customers back out or do not complete the transaction due to a very tedious checkout process. In such a case, you lose a chunk of users who could have been your potential customer. The most usual strategy is to skip the cart to take your customers directly to the checkout page to place the order. This could help you push your customers for the purchase and also save your customers time for completing the order transaction. In this video tutorial, we'll show you 3 effective ways to skip the WooCommerce Cart page and redirect to the checkout page. The first method is using default WooCommerce settings. The second approach involves a free WordPress plugin. And the third method requires a simple code snippet. Let us understand each method in detail. In the first method, skipping the cart page is surprisingly easy with default WooCommerce settings. This method involves some settings to be configured and a little tweaking of code in the end. Here's how you can do this. Go to WooCommerce settings, and move to the Products tab. Under the Add to Cart behavior settings, enable the checkbox to redirect to the cart page after successful addition of the product, and then save the settings. Next, move to the Advanced tab. Under the Page Setup, you can find the Cart Page setting. Select the Checkout Page option from the drop-down list. This means that any link to the cart page will redirect to the checkout page. Move to the front end of the store to see the affected change. When you add a product to the cart, the button will redirect you to the checkout page, instead of the cart page in this way. But that's not it. If you have listed cart page link on the main menu of your website, it will still lead to your cart page. Hence, you can choose to remove it from the menu. To do this, move to the Appearance settings and click on the Menu option. Under the Menu Structure section, click on Cart option and click Remove as shown. The cart page will now be removed from the menu. Additionally, you can choose to customize the Add to Cart button text to a more suitable one. You can make use of a small code snippet or a free WordPress plugin to make this change. You can find the code snippet and the suggested free plugins in our article, the link for which is given in the video description. The second method for WooCommerce Direct Checkout is using a WordPress plugin. The main advantage of using plugins is the customization they offer. Although there are many premium plugins that offer a lot of customization in terms of checkout, we will discuss one free WordPress plugin called WooCommerce Direct Checkout. In addition to skipping cart page and redirecting to a custom page, this free plugin allows you to set a custom Add to Cart button text as well. Here's a sample product page with the custom action buttons. You can also check our article to explore premium plugins for customizing the checkout page. The third method to skip the WooCommerce Cart page is using code snippet. In this method, you just need to add this code snippet at the end of the functions.php file of your activated website theme. This code snippet will redirect Add to Cart action from shop page and individual product page to the checkout page. Hence, in these ways, you can skip the WooCommerce Cart page and redirect to the checkout page. This will reduce the steps in your transaction funnel and hence makes your customers' checkout flow smoother. Follow the links given in the video description to find more tips and strategies in our articles related to the WooCommerce checkout. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos, and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Go follow us on our social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorials related to WordPress and WooCommerce.